Okay, so you can clearly see the difference here. On the right is the S23 Ultra in cream, and on the left we have an S22 Ultra in white, pure white. In the S23 Ultra, on the S23 series, for the Ultra model, there's no pure white version, so the white cream is the closest you can get to white. The bezel are actually, this one's a little cream colored bezel as well. It's stainless steel. This is stainless steel as well, but this is silver, and this is like a little cream colored silver, almost like a little rose, not rose gold, but a little gold. You can see the top as well. So yeah, it's pretty cool. I think I like this color a lot better. It's more interesting than just a pure white phone. And of course, it's a little bit more squared off right here. You see the difference? And so I like it a lot better. At the bottom, you have two microphones instead of, here we go, two microphones instead of one microphone on the S22 Ultra. So that's a little bit of a difference there as well. But yeah, well, I am excited to start using my S23 Ultra. Let's go ahead and zoom in real quick. There we go. You can see the difference. Okay, so this is a quick overview of the Galaxy Watch 6. This is a non-classic version with the aluminum bezel here and the upgraded leather D-band, the hybrid band. This is a silicone band that has a leather texture. This is the what they call the taupe color, which is like a mocha cream color, not white, with the stainless steel hardware in the back here, and it clicks in like that. So when you put it on your hand, I'll put it on here real quick here. All right, so just click it in like that. Pretty simple. All right. There you go. That is the Galaxy Watch 6 with the upgraded leather band, the hybrid band with the magnetic closer claps right here. You see the sensors behind the watch with the easy clip that is new to this generation, and that's the always on face. Click on that and it changes. Okay, so we're gonna do a quick unboxing of the Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra. This is in the black version. I was trying to get the beige version because it's a new color, but it was sold out by the time I got to placing my order. So this matches the black version or the dark gray version that I had with my Tab S9, so you know, I think it fits better with the black case anyway. So but yeah, anyway, so here it is. Let's go ahead and take a look at the back. Okay, so we have a couple of these tabs right here. Let's just go ahead and open that up. Oops. Okay, didn't go all the way through. There we go. Okay, didn't quite get it, but yeah, that's good enough. And open this guy, open this side. Okay, so that's good enough. Let's go ahead and turn it over. Actually, here it is. Little description of the tablet on the back. Here's what it looks like on this side. Tab S9 Ultra, nothing on the bottom. Samsung logo on this side. Okay, so this is it. Let's go ahead and open it up. Here we go. Put this cover aside here. All right, so here's what the tablet looks like. Lift this tab brings it out. As you can see, it's very thin, just as thin as the previous Tab S9 Ultra that I had. Let's put that aside for now. And now we see the stylus. This part is, from what I remember, it is the cable, the USB charging cables. Yep, USB-C charging cable. Here we go. Here's what that looks like. And unfortunately, just like last year, they do not include a charger, which is, by this time, you know, I'm used to it. I have plenty of multi-port 100 watts or 65 watt charger. So typically when I travel, I'm going to take one of them because it's got multiple ports. So yeah, I mean, it's, you know, if they included a charger, that'd be nice, but it's not necessary because I'm probably going to end up not using it anyway. So anyway, so we have that. We have this little side right here. Inside the instruction manual and the little pin to remove the SD card, which I have to remember because I have to take out the SD card from my Tab S8 Ultra. Anyway, so let's put these things back in here. Here is the Tab S9 Ultra. I'm gonna go ahead and open it, take it out of its case here. Ooh, almost damaged it a little bit here on the marble surface, so I gotta be careful. Let's go ahead and open this tab. All right, it's got a little picture to show you where you put the stylus. I'm gonna take it out. There we go. Alrighty. So here is, yeah, I got some fingerprints on it on the screen already, but anyway, so here is the Tab S9 Ultra 512 gigs, because with the deal that I got, they doubled the memory. So I paid the price of a 256, which is the I think the lowest configuration, and I got double the memory, so 512 in this guy. Okay, so let's take a look at, I got the help of a little light here on the side. The bottom, we have the contacts for charging. I believe those are speaker holes, similar to last year. Some microphone ports here, and I'm not gonna take out those various stickers yet. So we have the power button, volume rocker, up and down. I think these are two microphones at the top, and your, let me see if there you go, your SD card slot right here, the hole to pop it out. And here's the bottom. Let me see. Okay, let's see, there we go. We have the third speaker right here, and USB-C charger port, and the fourth speaker. So you have two speakers, four speakers, two on each side. There we go. Let's bring this guy in. My Tab S8, no, Tab S9 Ultra, and I'm gonna go ahead and, while it's turning on, take out my Tab S8 Ultra to compare. All right, so we have a startup screen here, and I have a lot of fingerprints on this one. Okay, so that is the Tab S9 Ultra, and I have the Tab S8 Ultra on the top. Let's see here. Oh, I got the key and the stylus on there. So here we go. Both of these are 14-inch, so they are the same, pretty much the same dimension, as you can see. Both sides right here, the thickness is about the same. I mean, let's look at the Tab S9 Ultra here. You can see, very nice, beautiful AMOLED display, huge screen real estate. We use it mostly for watching movies and surfing the web, but yeah, this thing is amazing. So again, the same ports on the bottom here. This guy's got two speakers on both sides, USB-C port. Okay, let's go ahead and stack them. All right, so here we go. You have the new front cameras are a little bit bigger. I don't know if you can see it. There we go. And the thickness, let's see. Yeah, they're pretty much about the same. All right, almost about the same. Okay. Oh, the bottom charging ports are a bit larger. The contacts are larger than the on the old one versus the new one, but the position's exactly the same. Okay, I'll put my hand on here, otherwise it won't focus. And here we go. Same thing. And let's look at the cameras. The differences between the cameras, right? The spacing for the stylus here, the two rear cameras, and the flash. These are much better, I think. So yeah, so that's it. That's it for a quick unboxing. Oh, let me try the case on the new Tab S9 Ultra, and let's see if it fits. Okay, so the case comes in two pieces. That is for the back, the camera cutout there, and this is for the front. I am going to click the tablet onto the keyboard, and it fits perfectly. Okay, it turns on the camera to try to scan QR code to get on the network, but yeah, so the keyboard fits perfectly, as you can see, just like the old tablet. Perfect on all sides. Right now, here is where we're gonna have a little bit of a problem here. So the old stylus fits perfectly where the new stylus would fit, and when you're trading in, you don't have to send in any accessories, so you can keep this guy for yourself as a backup stylus for your new tablet, which I'm gonna do. Then I'm gonna put this guy on. Okay, so as you can see, the case, the back case fits perfectly. The stylus, I think I gotta move it out a little bit. Hold on, let's see now. Yep, so it comes down, but it gets stuck right here because the new camera lenses are larger, so the case gets stuck right here. And also it's gonna cover half of your flash, which, you know, on a tablet I don't even use a camera that much, so you can just leave it like that, where you have a little bit of a gap right here, right here, but you still have protection for your camera. Or you can take an X-Acto knife and cut a little bit around here if you want to keep this nice front case. Otherwise, you just use it like this, right? Not a big deal. We can pop it back in. Let me turn it around. There we go. So if you want to use it, you pop out the back like this. There we go. Tilt it down a little bit. There we go. And yeah, I mean, it still works, you know. Move your mouse here, click start, agree to all. I usually don't do the diagnostics, and there you go. Right, let me grab the S Pen real quick, and as you can see, it says the connected keyboard is not compatible with this tablet, but it works perfectly fine. So I might cut this case so it fits, or I might just get a new one, not sure. But thank you very much for watching. This is a quick unboxing of my new Galaxy S9 Ultra tablet.